Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to add shortcuts to Firefox homepage. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to another browser and download the Firefox from there, because Windows does not offer you with of course their original download. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the middle of the screen, as you can see, you have the search box and you have it in the top side of the screen also. You have add shortcuts, and in the top left right corner you have the three horizontal lines where you have settings and all of these things. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add shortcuts to Firefox homepage. So first of all, go to the website you want to add a shortcut for. So basically you can go for any, let's go for Amazon probably, and just go and type here and go to website. Then click the star icon in the address bar to bookmark the page. So you have it here, as you can see, you can bookmark. Now, when you click there, click the three horizontal line menu in the top right corner and select library. You have it here, and you have it here. So go here. Then you need to go and click on bookmarks and then manage bookmarks, or press Ctrl+Shift+O. You have it here, and then you have manage bookmarks here. Now, when you click there, find the newly created bookmark and drag it into the homepage section if available. So if it's available, of course, you can go to all bookmarks and anything. So as you can see it here, you can go and click it again and just drag it to the homepage and it will be there. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, it really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.